Most phones these days don't have a physical label showing how much storage they have, but you can easily check this in your settings. Go to Settings and from there scroll down to Device Care. This is where it is on Samsung phones. On other Android phones, this is sometimes under Settings, and then in a submenu called Storage or something like that. In the Device Care menu, I see an overview of my device, and from here I can tap into my storage to see more details. I can see this phone has 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's currently 29% full. I see a breakdown of what's taking up space on my phone and some suggestions for how to free up space. On the bottom, there's an option to empty my trash, similar to a computer, and my phone even flags some unused apps in case I want to delete those. One thing that's not very obvious is that a lot of phones will have the option to use a memory card and expand your storage with those. I have a card inside my phone, and when I swipe to the left in the storage view, I'll see the same breakdown for my memory card. This is a great way to add more storage to your phone if you're running out of space. On most phones, the card goes in the same tray as the SIM card, so you'll see a slot like this on the side of the device. But this looks slightly different on each phone model. I have a separate video showing how to add a card to your phone, and I'll link it in the description if you're interested. So that's how you check your phone's storage. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.